What up, guys? It's CakeMonster90 here, and I have some exciting news. Feast your eyes on the second place rarest item in Animal Jam. I will show you. This is madness. I can't wait to show you. Dun, da-da-dun, da-da-dun. Wind up! Look at that! Look at it! It's clear on my back! Now, let's put the music on for this precious wind-up key. How about this? Perfect! Oh, yeah. Perfect, 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 perfect. Yeah, my screen went upside down. I was so excited. Yeah! Yeah! Alright, guys. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, like, and comment what kind of videos I should make. Please subscribe. Please! Anything! Ah! Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good time with Animal Jam videos. And bye! Alright, never mind. I'm gonna do two videos in one. I'm gonna do inventory video with this video. Perfect! Especially since we're talking about items. First of all, since I said wind up key is second in the most beta top 10, Avatar is the number one. Alright, I'm gonna do my inventory. So hats. Raccoon tail hat, not beta. Pilgrim hat, unwanted. Rain helmet, beta. Armadillo, unwanted. Flower crown, not beta. Tiara, not beta. New Year's party hat, unwanted. Jamaliday top hat, not unwanted. Wait, unwanted. Sorry about that. Foxtail hat, diamond shop. Sapphire shop. Why do I say diamond? Why do I say diamond? Wait. Alright, never mind. Sapphire. Foxtail hat. Sapphire shop. Foxtail hat. Sapphire shop. Flower crown. Not unwanted. Flower crown. Not unwanted. Phantom flight. Halloween. Rose earmuffs, unwanted. Heart earmuffs, unwanted. Bunny ears, not unwanted. Bunny ears, not unwanted. Fedora, maybe in stores. Reindeer, unwanted. Fruit hat, diamond shop. Diamond sapphire mint. Ballet princess hat. Sapphire shop. Yep. Snowflake tiara with the Christmas pack. Curly antlers, unwanted. Flower crown, not unwanted. Tiara, not unwanted. I should say normal item. Flower crown, normal item. Royal helmet, sapphire shop item. Flower crown, just random item, I don't know. Unicorn horn, not beta. What did I say? Random item. Curly antlers, unwanted. Now to the glasses. Beard, beta. Diamond glasses. Treasure hunts. Shutter shades. Treasure hunts. Beard, beta. Medusa mask, beta. Sunglasses. Treasure hunts. Feather boa, beta. Spike collar. Treasure hunt. Rare spike collar. Treasure hunt, yep. Designer shawl, unwanted. Silk scarf, shop, I believe. Heart necklace, unwanted. Wreath neck, unwanted. Might be in Christmas pack. Silk scarf, shops, maybe. Silk scarf. Oh, I said shark. I said shark. Silk scarf. Sapphire, nope. Christmas pack, reindeer collar. And sapphire shop, ice amulet. wind up key. My most beta. Angel wings unwanted. Cupid wings unwanted. I'll show you what's up to unwanted. Angel wings through the other Cupid wings, the pink Cupid wings. That's all unwanted. Bat balloon beta. Phantom balloon treasure hunt. New Year balloon. I'm thinking unwanted. Yep. Clover. Oh wait, New Year's balloon is when I joined near the New Year's. I joined then. I had no fashion design and colors. Clover skirt beta. Wait, unwanted I meant. Actually, just please comment how bad I am at speech. I don't care what you say. Just please don't unsubscribe. Phantom jet flight pack. Jetpack. Might be unwanted. Yep. Angelings unwanted. Duel. Samurai swords. Treasure hunt. Jamaliday lights. Seasonal pack. Cupid wings. Unwanted guitar. Treasure hunt. Snowboard unwanted. Reindeer saddle. Seasonal pack. Ice armor. Sapphire shop. Peg wings. Sapphire. Bow unwanted. Royal armor. Sapphire shop. Hula skirt unwanted. No, sapphire, I meant sapphire. Firefly friend unwanted. Reindeer tail seasonal pack. Sorry about that. Get out of my article face. Royal tail armor. Sapphire. Yep. And lastly, reindeer boots. Seasonal pack. Flower bracelet. Shops. Jamaliday boots. Unwanted. Cotton candy shoes. Beta. Ice gauntlets. Sapphire shop. Flower bracelet. Shops. Phantom flight. Leg bands. Unwanted. Nutcracker boots. Unwanted. Royal boots. Should be royal claws anyway. Might be. Oh, yep, sapphire shop. I keep forgetting. And last item, better bracelet, unwanted. All right, guys. The next video might be an update video because it said that Animal Jam Play Wild will be updated in 10 minutes. Would you like to go to the new world now? And then I crashed. So, anyway, I hope you subscribe, comment, and like. Don't unsubscribe. Don't not comment. Don't. Lastly, don't like. I meant like, but not thumbs down. That's what I'm saying. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next time. Bye-bye!